Today's news media offer an overview of what's going on, but some subjects deserve a closer look. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Join me as we investigate current events and issues, bringing you closer to the topics that matter and the people that make them happen. This is Edition. The United States has emerged as an industrial giant, and every day it's striving to become bigger, faster, and better. Join me as we explore the inner workings of American industry. From the paint on the walls in our homes and the dinnerware on our tables to the wine in our glasses, the clothing on our backs, and the medications we take, many everyday products are produced by processes which utilize pumps, air-operated double diaphragm pumps, to be exact. Air-operated double diaphragm pumps are pumps that use diaphragms, typically rubber membranes, to create a pumping action with compressed air as the only power source. An alternative to electrically driven pumps, air-operated double diaphragm pumps are used for a number of reasons, including but not limited to their unique ability to handle a given application's demands at a reasonable cost, their overall simplicity of operation and maintenance, and in their ease of portability. They are designed to pump all sorts of liquids, from coal mine water to hydrofluoric acid to biodiesel fuel to paints and adhesives. But not all air-operated double diaphragm pumps are created equal. At Yamada America, the proof is in the pump. The company is a wholly owned subsidiary of Yamada Corporation, a family-owned and operated pump company that was founded in Tokyo in 1905. Yamada America was formed in 1986 to focus exclusively on air-operated double diaphragm pumps and to service the North, Central, and South American markets. Today, Yamada America keeps one of the largest pump inventories in the U.S. to supply its more than 75 authorized distributors.
Early models were often overlooked in critical applications. The air valves in these pumps had a tendency to stick, stall, or even freeze up. Our engineers developed innovative air valve systems to prevent these problems, so plant maintenance managers became confident in specifying them.
At Sully Corporation in Hendersonville, North Carolina, Yamada air-operated double diaphragm pumps play a critical role in the manufacturing of ceramic foam filters.
We primarily use Yamada pumps to transfer liquid ceramic slurry throughout the facility. We were using centrifugal pumps and had a lot of trouble with seals leaking and needed alternative. So we gave Yamada a try, been using it ever since, and found it very reliable, cost-effective, and maintenance-friendly.
Yamada air-operated double diaphragm pumps can handle a wide variety of fluids with high solids content. They are made out of various materials to chemically match up with the liquids being pumped and the flow rates required. These pumps are portable, easy to install, and intrinsically safe since they are powered by compressed air rather than electricity. With the Yamada Roadshow, a mobile demonstration vehicle, engineering firms, distributors, and even end users have the opportunity to see firsthand how the company's air-operated double diaphragm pump works.
That all diaphragm pumps are the same and none of them are reliable or efficient. The Yamada Roadshow is like a traveling classroom where we can have frank conversations about proper installation, operation, and maintenance of their pumps. Hopefully by the time we're done, we leave behind a little knowledge and the courage to try something new.
In addition to the Roadshow, we offer both a trial pump and trade-in program. These give customers the opportunity to prove the pump at no to minimal financial risk. 93% of customers who try them stick with them.
Without any rotors, gears, or pistons, which wear over time, Yamada's air-operated double diaphragm pumps offer constant pumping efficiency. Trained and knowledgeable distributors promote and service Yamada's product line.
As a Yamada distributor, our responsibility is to making sure that we're knowledgeable on the products, and then we take that knowledge to the customer and make sure we properly apply it. And then after we apply the product, we follow up to make sure it's being properly maintained and operational.
Long-lasting, reliable, and rugged, Yamada air-operated double diaphragm pumps offer exceptional performance and play an important role in the production of many of the items we use each day.